Today we are going to create a resume using the ChatGPT. Let's check what it can do to make our resume more attractive. Go to the ChatGPT website and write the sentence, create a resume for DevOps engineer. You can write your profession, for example network engineer, software engineer, graphic designer. You can see it is giving the perfect layout and amazing stuff, which can be added to our resume.
We will add these summary, technical skills, into our resume. We can add all this stuff into our resume, after doing some changes.
I am using the Canva website to create a resume. You can also use it. So let's make it perfect.
Onu gördüğün vakit ne yapmak istersin?